What's up, YouTube? Catamize coming at you. Got the Asteroids Arcade one up right here. Just finished this bad boy. Had a good time working on it. What I did was modded it. But my homeboy, he'll be picking it up soon. Sorry about the light in my man cave. I need to change the light to LED or something to make it brighter. But again, it's the Asteroid Arcade one up that comes with 4 games. I modded it, so I'm gonna go ahead and power this up, show you what we got going on here. As you can see, it's running RetroPie, which is very common for modders or hackers or whatever you want to call it. If you're gonna mod a system, I got a little dust around there I need to clean up. But starting up. Now this Asteroid, it came with a twist knob, 2 buttons right here, a button in the middle, 2 buttons right there, a player 1 button, and a player 2 button. So if we're looking at this control deck, oh, and it didn't have a joystick, there was a button right here. So we're looking at this control deck. I added 2 joysticks. I added 4 buttons here, 4 buttons here, 1 button here, 1 button there. And I added the LEDs. It originally had white buttons. And if you notice, the buttons might look a little weird because they're going up and down instead of side to side. And I did that simply because to make this a 2-player and to make everything look even. If you know, as you can see, everything is spaced out perfectly as far as the buttons and the joysticks. And I added a star select button right here. And then the knob that moved. So my original plan was to make this a volume knob. What happened? They sent me the wrong amp. And I did not pay no attention to it. So I hooked this up to make this a knob. And I didn't notice that I didn't have a hookup for my audio in. So I went crazy trying to figure this out. It didn't work. So I just disconnected it all the way around. And then after I disconnected it, I found out, oh, there's no spot for the audio jack. But if you look down right here, as you see, it's yellow. Volume button all the way down, all the way up. Yellow to match the cabinet kind of. So go ahead and get into this. This is modded with over 55,000 games. Almost every system you can think of. Retro systems, that is. Sega, Nintendo 64, Nintendo, PSP, PlayStation, RetroPie, that's for Cody and stuff like that. Sega, Super Nintendo, Virtual Boy. As you see in the top, it has 55,242 games. That's the best way to go. This is the same as my Street Fighter cabinet that I did, and my boy wanted his done. So the way I have the buttons set up is A, B, C, D, X, Y. So we'll just go into something. Super Nintendo, you press A, brings up the games. Scroll through the games. We'll go to a common game that everybody know, of course, Super Mario Brothers. Super T. Keep going. Almost a Super Mario Brothers. So after you find the game, oh, we'll go to Super Mario Kart. After you find the game, press A to select it. It's loading. There we go. Volume coming out of the speaker right here. Turn it down. Can't hear nothing. Turn it up. That's as loud as that speaker goes. So I'll go ahead and press start. And do 1 player, 2 player. Press. Oh, it'll let you select 2 player, but not A. So we'll go to that. Oh, I think they're backwards, maybe. Oh, yeah. So player 1 is player 2. Have to fix that. Press start. Show you everything works perfectly fine. And of course, this is for Super Nintendo, so the button configuration is different. I'm not really playing because I'm trying to hold this camera, just showing you everything work. So we're gonna exit out, go back, and just scroll over, give you a list of the games. But like I said, that's the Asteroids cabinet, modded, running RetroPie, 55,000 games on it. Still kept the original artwork, quick pick in the back. Everything's running, working fine, fully converted, arcade 1-up. Asteroids, like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. Peace.